Single leg takedown. We'll be studying two single legs. The first one, the one we don't engage with your opponent. We should be in our ready stance, offensive, one leg forward, one leg back. We will always attack the same side leg. With the quick and fast step forward, we grab our opponent's legs and squeeze it tight. We'll be able to step back, bow down, and a quick leg drag to accomplish the side mount. There's something that may happen, which is when you're in your ready stance and your partner switch his stance, so you got in a situation of a cross leg, we don't want to shoot that way. So then you switch your own stance. Before then, you give the quick step forward. Grab your partner's legs super strong, super tight, ear on the belly, bow down, leg drag, side mount. Another option you will have if your partner do switch their stance will be that this time, instead of you switch your stance, you force your partner to give the leg you're looking for. So then the following steps repeat. With a lot of pressure on your neck against your partner's hip. There's no separation between your ear and your partner's belt. The second single leg is the one that will actually engage with our opponent. Even head on the shoulder, it's a common position. We want them to short the distance by swimming our arm under, controlling the biceps. That will allow us to flag our opponent's arm up as we step to the side. We could then finish the single leg as we've been studying, leg drag to accomplish the side mount. Now, it's important for us to understand three basic positions of the leg. So as you engage, once again, the important detail on opening the elbow, and you shoot for the single leg, quick and walking forward. Now, there are three positions. The worst one for us, the attackers, is when your partner brings the leg to the outside. That's no good for us. Second one, it's the middle one. It's good, we can finish. But perhaps the best one, it's when you drag the leg across, and that would allow us to trip the other foot and accomplish the side mount.